Hi everybody, my name is Carmen Ritter and welcome to Groove Identification Solutions. First off, for those people who have responded to our previous video blogs, thank you so much for your positive comments. The response has been great, so thanks again, and I'm glad that you're finding it helpful. I did have a request for this month's video blog, and that was to discuss proximity cards. A couple things or questions that are coming up is how proximity cards are presented and the pricing structure for them. First off, let's talk about proximity cards and how they're presented. What I have here is three main formats for them. This format here is called a clamshell. This is how proximity cards started originally. It's a very rugged card and durable. One thing that's difficult with this type of format is if you want to personalize it, if you have an ID card printer, you're very limited. You would have a product similar to this, which we call a backpack, and feed it into the card printer. When it comes out, you'll punch a hole in the top, you'll peel off this backing, and then you'll apply it onto the surface of the proximity card. I don't like it too much because you have the extra expense now of this card. Also, this tends to dog ear and lift after a little while. And also, you can only print on one side of the prox card. So if there's information you want on the back, you are limited. What's popular now these days is a video grade prox card. So here what's happening is you don't need to worry about adhesive cards or anything like that. You would feed the card directly into the card printer, and when it comes out, it's ready for issue. I like this technology because it's a one-step process. It's secure because you don't have an adhesive card similar to this that you can peel off and attach another identity. And now you also have the option you can print on the back since both sides are printable. Another format, if you don't want photo ID married with your proximity card, then what you can do is you can go with something like this. This is a key fob. And this is good. It's very popular for smaller organizations. Attach it to your key. The thought is you always have your keys with you, so you'll be able to unlock the doors. You can't put a photo on it, but it's very rugged and ideal for smaller organizations. Pricing is all over the board with proximity cards. There isn't any set retail price by the manufacturers, so what's happening in the industry is there's aggressive companies like ourselves when it comes to pricing structure, and then there's organizations that mark these proximity cards up pretty good. If you have an older proximity card system, access control system, you've been getting cards from the same vendor for years, very doubtful that they're going to be approaching you and saying, hey, guess what, we get a deal for you, the prices have come down on this technology and you don't have to pay us as much. That doesn't seem to be the case. So what I would suggest is that you shop your proximity cards out. If you're looking to shop around for prox cards, there's information that we would need to know from you. So I got a box here. This is typically how prox cards come, and there's a number of things that we need to know about the card in order to send the information to HID and see if we can help you out with the price. There's a job number, there's a part number, there's a format, and a facility code. So these are all important so that we can ensure that you get the correct pricing for the card, and that if you do go ahead with an order, that we're manufacturing the correct card for you. If you do have further questions, please give us a call. It's our pleasure to take a look at what you're currently using for your proximity cards. Shop these things out. I think you'll be very surprised at the savings that are to be had. So again, give us a call, toll free, 1-888-940-3645. Love to talk to you, and hope we can help you with some savings.